Hi, today I'm going to tell you guys about proportional versus non-proportional relationships. So first we're going to look at this example here. X is 2, 3, and 4, Y is 10, 15, and 20. In order to find the constant of proportionality, or what I'm multiplying X by to get Y, I can do Y divided by X, Y divided by X. If Y is 10, I do 10 divided by 2, and I get 5. If y is 15, I do 15 divided by 3, and I also got 5. Finally, if y is 20, and I do 20 divided by 4, I get 5. So every time I'm dividing y by x, I'm getting 5. That means that this is a proportional relationship, that the constant of proportionality is the same for each ordered pair. All right, now we're going to move over here. I have 3, 4, and 5 for x, and 8, 10, and 12 for y. In order to figure out if it's a proportional relationship, I'm going to do y divided by x like I did with the other chart. So 8 divided by 3, 10 divided by 4, and 5 divided by 12. Okay, so 8 divided by 3 is going to get me 2.6 repeating. So 2.6, 6 repeating. 10 divided by 4 is going to get me 2.5. And 5 divided by 12 is going to get me, excuse me, I did that backwards. 12 divided by 5, I'm sorry. 12 divided by 5 is going to get me 2.4. Now, each time I did y divided by x, I got a different number. I got 2.6, 2.5, and 2.4. That means that I'm not multiplying x by the same constant of proportionality to get y. That means that this is a non-proportional relationship. So in order to figure out if you have a proportional relationship, you can do y divided by x to see if you can find the constant of proportionality. If it's the same every time, it's proportional. If it's different every time, it's non-proportional.